How to download and install Racing League on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to install Racing League 3D race offline game on your Android device, then first of all open your Google Play Store. Also make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. In the search bar, type in Racing League and search. Look for the application from Nirvana Studio, this one over here at the top, and click on install right next to it. Now the game will start downloading. You'll need to wait for a couple of minutes for the app to download. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection for the download to complete soon. Once waiting for a couple of minutes, your application will be downloaded and you can start playing the game. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.